Hey everyone, today I'm trying these AuraZen mood gummies from Clean Nutra. What I like is how much they pack into one little gummy. You get saffron, L-Theanine, Ashwagandha, and Rhodiola plus lion's mane, GABA, magnesium, and vitamins D and B6. The brand makes these for mood and stress support, so it's like an all-in-one calm blend in a gummy. They taste like strawberry and orange, so they go down easy. You take two a day, and since the mix is calming, I like to have mine in the evening to relax before bed. One bottle has 60 gummies, so it lasts a full month. Just a quick heads up, these have St. John's wort, which can clash with some medicines, so if you take any, check with your doctor first. These statements are not checked by the FDA, and this is just my honest opinion. If you want a simple all-in-one mood gummy, these are worth a try.